Hello my dear students, I hope so you all are fine and taking care of your health. Stay at home, stay healthy and keep learning. You all know students, we are doing lesson 3 and we have started the topic classification. Today we are going to do the fourth classification, in which the animals are separated according to the food habits. Different animals prefer to eat different food items. Just like we humans love to eat different food items. Same is with the animals. Let's read. We can classify animals on the basis of their food habits. According to the food habits, we can separate the animals because of the different food they love to eat. We can put them into following categories. There are some categories where we can put them. First one is animals that eat grain, grass and leaves. There are some animals that love to eat grass as well as leaves. What are these animals? Cows, goats. Here you can see cow, goat, many more like elephant, like giraffe. All these animals love to eat grass and leaves. Some animals that eat grains. There are animals that eat grains and seeds, especially birds. Birds love to eat grains like wheat grains, millet grains and many more. Birds love to eat grains. Grains, student, what you can say? Take an example. You eat chapati. Chapati is made up of wheat. Chapati is made up of wheat flour. But the birds eat that wheat as it is. So that are the grains that birds eat. Sparrows, hen, sparrow, this one is pigeon, parrot, etc. All these love to eat grains. Animals that eat insects. There are some animals that eat insects. Insects, you all know, we already did this term. Animal with 6 legs and a pair of antennae, and some animals love to eat them. Spider, lizards, these love to eat mosquitoes, cockroaches, flies. Spider is not an insect. It seems to you like that it is an insect, but it is not, as spider is of 8 legs. And lizard eat the insects while trapping with the help of its sticky tongue. Lizards can easily stick on the walls and uses the sticky tongue to catch the insects. Spider also attracts the insects in its web and eat the insects. Animals that eat other animals. There are some animals like lion, tiger, cheetah that are very dangerous, and even they can harm humans also. These animals kill other animals and eat them. So this is all about our today's video. I will show you. Here is a chart with animals with different food habits. Goat is an animal. It gives us milk and it also eats grass. Sparrow eat grains. Same is with the pigeon. Pigeon also loves to eat grains. Lizards eat insects. Spider also eat insects. Here you can see a spider is of 8 legs. This one is a spider with 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 legs. And now here is the tiger. And what tiger eats? Tiger eats other animals. So Today we discussed different animals with the different food habits. I hope so it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.